Have you ever stopped to consider that nature might be far more aware than we think? As we walk through a forest, look at the ocean, or feel the wind, we tend to assume everything around us is automatic, simple, almost mechanical. But science is beginning to reveal something truly surprising. Nature communicates, adapts, makes decisions, and responds to its environment in ways that challenge everything we thought we knew. Today, we're going to uncover lesser-known behaviors and hidden secrets of the natural world that seem impossible, yet are completely real. Number 1. Forests function as living networks. Trees don't survive on their own. Beneath the forest floor lies a complex web of microscopic fungi that connects the roots of different plants and trees. Through this underground network, trees can exchange resources like nutrients, water, and chemical signals. When one tree is attacked by pests, information travels underground, warning nearby trees and allowing them to activate chemical defenses before the threat reaches them. Older trees can even send nutrients to younger or weaker ones, helping them survive in harsh conditions. Rather than a constant competition, the forest operates as a cooperative system built for resilience. Number 2. Plants can sense vibrations in the world around them. Even without brains or nervous systems, plants are highly sensitive to their surroundings. Research has shown that they can respond to specific vibrations, including sound. Plant roots, for example, can grow toward vibrations associated with flowing water. Some plants can even recognize the sound of insects chewing on their leaves. When this happens, they activate chemical defenses or release compounds that attract the natural predators of those insects. Without moving or making a sound, plants actively respond to their environment. Number 3. The octopus. A distributed mind. The octopus is one of the most baffling creatures on Earth. It has 3 hearts and copper-based blood that allows it to survive in cold, low-oxygen environments. What's even more astonishing is its nervous system. A large portion of its neurons are located in its arms, allowing them to function with a degree of independence. Each arm can explore, manipulate objects, and react on its own, almost as if it has its own local intelligence. This unique design explains why octopuses can solve complex problems, use tools, and display behaviors that feel almost human. Number 4. The ocean that glows at night. In certain parts of the world, the ocean can glow after dark. This phenomenon is caused by marine microorganisms capable of producing light through internal chemical reactions. When the water moves, whether from waves, swimming animals, or human footsteps, the sea lights up with brilliant flashes of blue. This light serves important purposes. It confuses predators, warns nearby organisms, and increases the chances of survival. It's not magic. It's a survival strategy refined over millions of years. Number 5. Animals with a built-in compass. Some animals possess the extraordinary ability to detect Earth's magnetic field. This allows them to navigate vast distances with incredible accuracy. Migratory birds travel across continents without losing their way. Sea turtles, even without prior experience, can return decades later to the exact beach where they were born. This natural navigation system remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern biology. Number 6. Fungi that control behavior. There are fungi capable of altering the behavior of insects to complete their life cycle. When a fungus infects an ant, it takes control of its motor functions and forces it to move to a specific location. Once there, the ant becomes immobilized, and the fungus grows from its body, releasing spores that infect new hosts. As disturbing as it may seem, this process demonstrates the remarkable precision with which organisms interact in nature. Nature isn't always gentle, but it is incredibly efficient. Number 7. The natural world can remember. Some organisms appear to retain information from past experiences. Trees can adjust their growth based on extreme events that occurred years earlier, such as prolonged droughts. In animals, certain behaviors seem to be passed down through generations without direct learning. This suggests that experience can be encoded at a biological level. Nature doesn't just react. It adapts with memory. The more we study the natural world, the clearer it becomes that it is anything but simple. It is an interconnected, intelligent, and deeply complex system. Perhaps humanity's greatest mistake has been underestimating what exists beyond our immediate perception. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And now let me know in the comments, which fact about nature surprised you the most? I'll be reading,